What is the most common problem with furnaces? What is the most common problem with furnaces is something many homeowners ask when their heat suddenly stops working. The most common issue we see is restricted airflow, usually caused by a dirty air filter. When airflow is blocked, the furnace overheats and shuts down as a safety measure. Ignition problems are also very common, including worn ignitors, dirty flame sensors, or pilot light issues that prevent the furnace from producing heat. Here in New Egypt, New Jersey, furnaces run hard during the winter, which makes airflow and ignition problems show up fast. We often find that something as simple as poor airflow or a dirty sensor can cause repeated shutdowns that feel like a major failure. If your furnace is acting up or not producing heat, call Dustin's Plumbing, Heating, and AC Repair to schedule a professional furnace inspection in New Egypt, New Jersey. We will find the exact issue and get your heat running safely and reliably.